Dad, how did it work? Candi, what are you doing walking around in circles? Are you a train conductor?
You're just sitting there. Yeah? You're just sitting there.
Okay, go. We use the laundry basket. Not one this tall. Where is she? Oh, Roxy, watch out.
What you doing?
Oh, the expensive toys, huh?
What you doing?
Okay, one more time.
Is she having fun or is she sitting in there?
Not crying.
Not crying. That's a key. Oh, trying for a jailbreak. How do I get out of here?
Oh.
Olivia?
She said, I can't look at anything but the white wall. I can't see. Look out the window.
Window.
Oh. Oh. You're stuck. Not moving. Not moving. You're not moving. No. Oh, nice.
Jeez, look at all the dogs, dude.
Look at them following her.
I didn't know if she's terrified or what. Now she's eating the pants.
Don't eat the pants.
All fun and games till that thing catches an edge.